Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the basics that matter. Make the SRT file name match the video file name, or have the exact path ready if using a player that needs it. Open the subtitle file in a text editor to verify UTF-8 encoding and correct timestamp format. Once done, load the video into your chosen player or editor so you can immediately test subtitle syncing. These quick checks prevent common failures and let you move into the attachment step without stumbling over format or naming issues. Now attach the subtitle track. If using VLC, choose Subtitle Add File or simply drag the SRT onto the playing window. The player will load it instantly. In editors like Adobe Premiere or DaVinci, import the SRT as a subtitle track and align start offset if timing is off. For a permanent mux, use FFmpeg. Provide video and subtitle inputs and remux with copy codec so quality stays intact. Make sure to test a few scenes to confirm sync and encoding after attachment. Finish by exporting or saving your video with the subtitle track, or burn them in if you need universal compatibility. If subtitles do not appear, double-check the file name match, confirm UTF-8 encoding, and inspect the player's subtitle track settings. Sometimes tracks are simply disabled. If timing drifts over the duration, apply a consistent time shift or resync the SRT in an editor to match the video's frame rate. One reliable tip: try another player to isolate whether it's the file or the app causing issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.